Hello, welcome to Virgo, Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo. Ayan, take only what resonates. Love reading to, guys, ha. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, pa-subscribe na lang. Sa dulo ng reading na ito, lalagyan natin siya ng per zodiac sign, nakakonect mo. Okay? Halimbawa, Virgo dealing with Aries, ganyan. Tapos, maaaring may message din para sa doon. Okay. So, what do we have here for Virgo in love? For Virgo in love. For Virgo in love, please. For Virgo in love. You do have the Queen of Swords, Ten of Swords, and the Queen of Pentacles. Okay. Five of Pentacles is at the bottom of the deck. So, nakakakita tayo dito ng some kind of ending regarding sa connection mo with someone. Maybe there's an ending, maybe with the Queen of Swords, pwedeng kinot off mo tong taong to, or maybe there's a reason kung bakit nagkaroon ng ending sa inyo. But with the Queen of Pentacles, yung iba pwedeng communication lang, hindi naman yung mismong relasyon or yung connection, but rather yung komunikasyon. Yan. Yung iba naman, maybe this is a friend na pwedeng nag-ending yung friendship ninyo or whatsoever. Or maybe partnership, no? But with the Queen of Pentacles, nakikita natin that you are, you are an earth sign, you are grounded person, you are a person na parang, sige, kung mag-i-end, wala na akong magagawa, focus na lang ako sa pera, focus na lang ako sa iba, focus na lang ako ano yung dapat kong pag-focusan with regarding sa aking finances, career. Especially may mga problem and mga hindi magagandang balita recently pagdating sa iyong money, and might be ito yung nagiging rason para mag-focus ka din lalo dito. Anyway, tell me more. For the sign of Virgo, please. Messages for the sign of Virgo. You do have the King of Pentacles, the Nine of Swords, the Star. Clarify the King of Pentacles, please. Five of Pentacles. Clarify the Nine of Swords. It is clarified by the King of Wands. Clarify the Star, please. And you do have here the Knight of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Eight of Swords. Five of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, and the Eight of Swords. Ayan, at the bottom of the deck. So, yeah, while you are focusing kung paano maaayos yung mga problema mo financially, with your career, with your business, with your, maybe, some of you pwedeng may problema sa law ngayon, may mga kaso na kinakaharap, or pwedeng yung iba may iniisip na kasuhan, or pwedeng recently may mga problem regarding law, like sa barangay or what. But it could be you, or you are involved doon. No, okay? Pwedeng ikaw mismo yung may kargo or may problema, or ikaw ito na nagte-take power kasi ikaw yung pwedeng naloko, or yung iba pwedeng iniisip na lagyan ng kumbaga mag-take power regarding dito kung ikaw itong nawalaan. Basta regarding sa money na nawala. But, of course, I feel like you're just finding justice regarding dito sa bagay na to. Okay, the person, you do have your Nine of Swords and the King of Wands. There's a person na parang sobrang nasasaktan tong taong to eh. Namomroblema siya. And this person is showing is the King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Itong person na to could be someone na malayo because the Knight of Swords, I can see a person na kailangan pa mag-travel just to be with you. So, malayo tong taong to. The star is here. So, pwedeng maybe someone who is away from you really do likes you a lot with the star. May mga pangarap or gusto siyang mangyari regarding sa inyong dalawa. And you're the Queen of Pentacles. Baga, sino pang aayaw sa Queen of Pentacles? You have everything. You have everything. Hindi lang ganda. But, babae man or lalaki. But you do have also the status, the money, the environment na parang gusto niyang maging belong ako dyan. Parang ganon. Kasi you have everything. Maybe nakikita niya sa'yo na more like, yung money. Kasi pwedeng pati yung pamilya mo, no? Iba yung status or iba yung, kumbaga meron kang mamanahin, parang may nga ganun. But anyway, hindi lang naman yun yung nagugustuhan nitong taong ito sa'yo. But also your appearance, your face, no? Yung itsura mo, ganda mo, babae man o lalaki, and how you handle yourself, your finances, and also yung pagiging childlike mo. So pwedeng may feeling itong person na ito na parang gusto rin kita kasi kung paano ka sa connection, pwedeng nakita niya na yung pagiging parang isip bata mo, parang gusto rin niya yung ganon. Maybe this is a friend or a person wherein nagkaroon na kayo ng sharing pagdating sa money. Okay? Or maybe in the past, may mga ibinigay siya sa'yo or may partnership with regards money. Pwedeng ganon. Or vice versa. Or maybe because of mga kapatid. Maybe friend mo yung kapatid niya or siya friend niya yung kapatid mo, so may ideas regarding doon. But kung wala naman, maybe yung connection niyo is that he or she feels like parang kapatid ka na niya, and or vice versa, pwedeng kapatid mo na rin siya, ganun yung feeling. And because of this, pwedeng nakikilala ka na niya talaga kung ano ka. So this is not a new person, definitely, with the Knight of Swords. Not a new person, but rather a person na pwedeng parang kulang na lang sa kanya yung lakas ng loob para mag-open ng kung ano man yung mga iniisip niyang i-open sa'yo. Anyway, yeah, because the Eight of Swords, this person could be stuck in a situation or maybe with the Four of Pentacles, something to do with money. So, pwede ngayon nag-iipon siya kasi nga pwedeng may pagkakalayo. And then you do have the Five of Swords. I feel like a lot of changes ang nangyayari sa inyo ngayon or sa kanya, especially may kinalaman sa money. And the Five of Wands, I feel like there's a lot of problem pagdating sa environment niya ngayon. Pwedeng hindi siya masaya doon. So, messages, eto na last messages na lang para sa iyo, Virgo. And then punta tayo doon sa Virgo dealing with each zodiac sign. Okay. Messages for you. You do have here the Temperance, the Tower. Marami to pero naramdaman ko yung feeling ng ano dito eh. Kasama to sa reading mo talaga yan. Judgment. Like, eto na yung babanggitin ko sana kanina. Kaya lumabas siyang pala talaga. Ten of Wands, the Judgment, Hermit, Ace of Cups, and the Four of Swords. Okay. Okay, so I feel like in this message here for you, Lalo na ang bottom natin of the deck is the Justice card. This is Libra energy. You are ending everything. Like, maybe ending of friends, pagtitake ng power, maybe regarding yourself, appearance mo, may mga binabago ka rin dyan. Personality mo, pwede nga, may binabago ka rin dyan. Maybe yung regarding sa imagination mo or usaping spiritual, some of you may mga pagbabago or ini-end dyan. And I feel like you are the person who is, sabihin na natin, may ugali kang indecisive, hindi mo alam kung ano yung gusto mo talaga. But I feel like you're just going with the flow, no? Lalo na with the temperance. Kung ano yung mangyari, di mangyari. Kung hindi, hindi. That is you, na parang, basta sa buhay nagiging creative ka na lang, basta ine-enjoy mo na lang. And this is you na parang focusing on your self-care and sa emotion mo as much as possible. You don't want to feel this pain or sorrow. Ayaw mo mag-concentrate dun eh. So, you're just focusing on money, foundation, ayan. At, yun nga, maybe if there are other partnerships, hindi ko nakikitang ina-attach mo yung sarili mo sa kanila. Maybe may attachment regarding money, pero, maybe, with regard sa generosity or pagiging mapagbigay, dati maaaring ganun ka. But now, ikaw na talaga yung nagko-controller, nagte-take power dito. And, I'm seeing like for some of you, kung may mga competition sa trabaho, negosyo, career, in the near future, pwedeng ito yung, yung gagawain mo, magfo-focus ka dito. Pero hindi mo kasi sila nakikita as kalaban, but rather, especially pagdating sa business, na yung mga negosyo nga magkakalaban, magkakarap pa minsan katulad ng Jollibee and McDonald's, magharap naman sila. Pero okay lang, kasi actually, what I see here is that you already found your value. And hindi ka para makipagkompetensya sa iba. Because what you do is, or what you're focusing is you, kung paano ka magkakaroon ng transformation para maging mas better. And yun yung focus mo para maging mas better ka as a person, whether sa career, sa business, more like sa money guys, usaping pera. Kung paano mo itatransform or kung paano ka mas mag-i-improve. No, hindi mo iniisip yung mga kalaban ka, kompetensya. Kasi maybe for you, kung talagang para sa'yo or kung talagang ikaw ang gusto, talagang ikaw ang gusto, no? Hindi na para ipagpalit ka doon sa ibang negosyo if this is a business. But anyway, a lot of responsibility pero kinakaya mo lahat because you are well guided by your spirit guides. I do love your energy, especially yung iba sa inyo recently nagdadasal. Nagdadasal na or maybe ini-involve mo rin yung mga children pagdating sa pagdadasal. I really do like your energy. With regards sa love naman, there's this hermit. Ayan, this is a Virgo energy who is, I can see the energy of control, na? And with the Four of Swords, I feel like kahit kontrolin niya yung emotions niya, hindi niya kayang kontrolin guys. The Ace of Cups, there's a lot of emotions mula dito sa taong to. And with the Judgment, I feel like unti-unti siyang ginigising or nagigising. Like you don't have to tell this person about your connection. Some of you, this is a spiritual connection kasi with the Four of Swords, kusa ng yung angel guides niya ang gigising sa kanya. Kusa ng yung dreams niya, kusa ng yung mga sign ang magtatransform sa kung ano yung talagang connection ninyong dalawa. Anyway, let's move on to the next part of the reading, which is Virgo dealing with each and every zodiac sign. Bago natin i-end ang video. What do we have here for Virgo, please? Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo, please. Love reading to, no? Pero natatawa ako sa energy mo kasi wala doon ang focus mo. Ang focus mo talaga sarili mo, improvement, ganun. More on improvements. Pera, sarili mo, ganun. Home, yan, pwedeng ganun. But, this is love reading. So, talagang may person na talagang, lumalabas talaga dito. If you're not dealing with anyone or anyhoo right now, feel free to check na lang yung ibang videos. Kasi pwedeng hindi ka makakonect or makarelate dito. Okay, let's start. For Aries, Virgo dealing with Aries. Yeah, you do have here the 7 of Cups and the 7 of Swords. Okay, itong person na ito, umiiwas siya, lumalayo siya, but still, iniisip ka pa rin lagi nitong taon to. This person is daydreaming. There are times na nagde-daydream siya, pero iisipin niya, naku, hindi pwede. Parang ganun. Maybe itong person na ito, sinisabotahin niya yung sarili niya. Parang pinipigilan niyang isipin ka. Pero wala siyang magawa eh. There are times talaga iniisip ka niya. And then, Virgo dealing with Taurus. You do have here the 8 of Wands and the 5 of Wands. I feel like medyo impossible ang connection with this person right now. There's a lot of challenges. May mga family na involved dito. Sila yung isa sa nagiging dahilan kung bakit hindi nag-work out. And I can see improvement pagdating sa iyong money. So, mag-concentrate ka na lang muna doon. So, Virgo dealing with... Nasaan na tayo? Gemini. Ace of Swords. And this would like to come out. The Tower. Okay. I can see new connection. Either there's an ending na kailangan mo nang mangyari for this new connection to happen, or kung bagong-bago lang talaga, like new people, kilalanin mo muna. I can see mabilisan lang din yung connection na ito pagdating sa love. Yeah. So for Virgo dealing with Cancer. Yung person na ito ay nakaka-focus sa money, sa pera. Gusto niya maging successful muna. So, yeah. Also, this person, meron ako nakikitang ibang choices. And, I don't feel like nasa love ang, ang attention. Okay. Next, Leo. Knight of Wands. 2 of Cups. I feel like this person is about to come to you para mag-form ng partnership, relationship with you. I can see possible pagta-travel mula dito sa taong to. Okay, so next is dito natin sa kabila ilagay Virgo. Okay, Virgo dealing with Virgo. You do have here Magician and Page of Swords. Okay. This person is attracted to you. Sa ngayon, I feel like, something to do with child. So, pwedeng marami siyang question regarding doon. And maybe you're dealing with someone who is immature pa pagdating sa connection or pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon. But, anyway, marami siyang question ngayon. So, next is Libra. The Hermit. And the Page of Pentacles. Okay, this person, ina-isolate niya yung sarili niya ngayon. With the Page of Pentacles, pwedeng nag-focus siya sa kanyang money, mga sinisimulan regarding pera, or maybe regarding a child. Okay, so let's move on. Scorpio. Virgo dealing with Scorpio. You do have your 9 of Swords and 9 of Wands. Okay. So, there's a lot of challenges and problems ngayon with regards to this person. Marami siyang pinagdadaanan. I feel like this person is sobrang daming stress, ang daming problema, and hindi maganda yung environment niya ngayon or yung yung nangyayari sa buhay niya ngayon. Sa home, partnership, etc. And this person is missing you. Nami-miss ka niya. Now, let's move on to the next sign, Sagittarius. King of Wands, Six of Swords. This person is moving on. This person is moving on. I feel like, yeah, kung hindi siya nakikipag-connect, communicate, it is because alam niya yung mga bagay na natapos na and nagle-let go na siya doon. Next, Capricorn. Tama ba? Okay, Capricorn. You do have your Five of Cups and Queen of Swords. Okay, this person is cutting you off. Nalulukot siya, nasasaktan siya. But, anyway, there's another person na involved. At ito yung maaaring nagiging dahilan kung bakit talagang tuloy-tuloy yung pagka-cut off niya sa'yo. Aquarius. The Emperor, the Star. This person sees you as a friend. But, maybe hindi niya pa nahahanap fully yung sarili niya. May mga bagay siyang binubuo na pwedeng gusto niya muna ma-achieve. And although may pagkagusto itong person na ito, I feel like medyo mataas ang kanyang ego talaga. Okay, and next is Pisces. Yeah, Pisces. Last. You do have the Strength card and ito. Two of Swords. This person really do loves you. And I feel like, although may separation sa inyong dalawa, I feel like there's a decision na kailangan mo nang gawain. And itong person na ito is, time will come magdidesisyon siya regarding doon pag naging handa na siya. Okay? So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I hope nakarelate ka, nakaresonate ka sa ating reading. Maraming salamat. Ma-appreciate ko kung magka-comment ka dyan sa baba. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.